Data quality. Data quality refers to the degree to which data is accurate, complete, reliable, and timely, and meets the need of its intended use. Importance: informed decision making. High quality data ensure decisions are based on accurate and relevant information. Operational efficiency. Reliable data improves operational processes. And then regulatory compliance. Accurate and complete data helps in meeting legal and regulation requirements. The solution for all these issues is data consolidation. So the process of consolidating data means moving it, making it consistent, and cleaning up the data as much as possible. Here we're talking about different formats like we already talked before, inconsistent between sources due to internal inconsistency also or missing values. Business user must drive what should be in the data warehouse. It's a business decision. So someone in the business must decide consolidating how to consolidate inconsistent data. For example, if you have two systems, true is one in one system and T is in another. So they have to choose either or. What should be the value be once the data is consolidated from the two systems? Same thing for false. Sometimes F, sometimes false, sometimes zero. All this they need to unify them before they combine them into one warehouse or a database. Data cleaning process. First, we identify the issues. We detect the errors, duplication is there, inconsistency is there, so we know about it. We put a list of all the issues. After we know that, then we correct the errors, fix inaccuracies, and fill in missing data. Number three, standardize data. Ensure consistent formatting and value after we decide how the whole new big database will look like. Validate data. Verify that clean data meet quality standard after the fact. Few tips to use during the process of data cleaning. It's an ongoing thing, so perform regular data quality assessment and audit to detect and address issues. Could be a part-time job for somebody. Implement automated data validation and cleansing process to maintain data integrity. And we try to do this one from the source. So, for example, we in the system we put a lot of rules about if, for example, text was inputted inside a number field, a warning will come up for the person who's doing the data entry saying, okay, there's something wrong. Or if it does not meet a certain format or length, also a warning will pop up, which is great because this is how you control data quality from the beginning. Provide training and guideline for staff involved in data entry and management. Establish data governance practices and policies to ensure consistent quality standards. Use data quality tools and software to automate monitoring and correction tasks. This is like a queries and macros as well. Continuously review and refine data quality process based on feedback and evolving needs.